How to restore faded headlights in 6 easy steps. Here's what you will need. Headlight kit. There are many good products out there. I used Mother's new lens. Cleaner. Plastic exterior painter's tape. Spray bottle with water. Variable speed drill. Step 1. Clean surface. I used vinegar and water. It's a great cleaner and doesn't leave a residue. Step 2. Tape. Use plastic exterior tape. It's waterproof and is great for bending around corners. Step 3. Wet sand. 800 grit. Make sure to use plenty of water. Do not stay in one place for too long and use medium speed to avoid melting the headlight. Sand hard to reach areas by hand. Step 4. Wet sand 1500 grit. The kit I used provided a sanding disc for the drill. I preferred to do it by hand. Make sure to use plenty of water. Clean the lens with water and dry. Step 5. Dry sand. 3000 grit. Make sure to keep the drill at medium to high speed and avoid staying in one spot. Make sure not to press down too hard on the drill. At the end of this stage, the lens should be almost clear. Step 6. Wax. Add a small amount of wax to the polishing tool and lens. Polish in small areas until the lens is clean. Then buff with a clean, soft rag. Repeat this step as many times as necessary. That's it, just like new in 6 easy steps. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and good luck.